It's been too long since I did a DIY, and this has been sitting in my Pinterest board for too long, so let's create it. Starting off is basically us cutting out an H, but I'm not sure I have a straight hand, so I fold the fabric into two, and I'm using a soft lycra fabric, so lay it flat, and then I think I measured about 4 inches and just slowly cut it so I get a straight line and there's no zigzag situation. So after cutting this in the middle, this is what it looks like. Opened it and then just drew a line in between, but I left 2 inches on both sides. So this is basically what it's looking like. The holes are not too big, so they don't like fall off my body, but this is the final look. I really like it. I think I would have preferred it to be maxi, so that way it has to be like 4 yards of fabric. And I tried doing this thing where I bunched the fabric up in the middle and just use a safety pin, but you can use a brooch. I just couldn't find my brooch. I also styled it with this corset that I got from Atafo, and this is the final look. Ooh, and I also tried this using just 1 yard of this plissé fabric, so it pretty much came out as a top.